So here is one eye done. This has been heck. This has been a lot, but we've got it done. I'm not gonna go close. No, I'm gonna show y'all close. I look a mess, guys. Look at all the, oh, you can't see it now, but you kind of can. There's a lot of clear glue all over my lashes, but we look good from afar. This is even how I like to buy some of my lashes, where they look separated. I did not intend to do that. That's just the way that this looks, because this is my very first ever individual lash application, okay? My baby just woke up and she in here with me too, so y'all might hear her breathing and crawling in the background, but I'm happy, okay? I'm happy. This is how it looks. This is the other eye. I'm about to get started on this one next. I can almost bet that it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look like something totally different, but we're gonna rock it anyways, because we did it. All right, live. Bye. Live. I was trying to say loves, but it came out as lie, so whatever. Weird. Okay, mama. Okay, baby. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like by the eyes. I knew that these was gonna come out looking totally different, so I'm all right with that. I'm gonna show y'all a close-up on these motherfreakers too, on this side too. This is the close-up. You can see like so much clear glue. Even if y'all can't, I can. But this is gonna be the it, baby, okay? I may go back in on the other eye and try to fill in a little bit like in there, but I doubt it. I'm liking this, and this fits to be what the fuck it is, because I'm tired. This took like almost an hour just to get done. An hour, maybe two. But this is what I'm looking like. I knew it was gonna look different. Like, it looks like I have on two totally different types of lashes for real, but I don't. I just literally did them. It's kind of different, but what can I do? I'm thinking, like I said, I might fill this one in a little bit more. I may. But anyway, this is what we're looking like. We're gonna put our wig back on, and we're gonna call it a day, because Daria is not having it. She's been yelling and screaming for a while now, so that's just that with that. She not for this. She ain't been away from me for this long, and we in the house together. I hate it. I like this one. This is my favorite eye. This eye, I was struggling for some reason. I was struggling to all the eyes, but I couldn't, all the eyes. I couldn't get this one. I think I probably would just have to fill this one in order for it to look similar, but I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead. All right, guys, I'll be back when I got my little wig slapped on. It just looks so different. It's crazy. All right, here we are in the natural lighting and with my wig on. It looks so funny. I ain't showing y'all close up. Yes, I will. Okay, here's the close up. It looks a mess, guys. I got lashes like on the actual eyelid, but we're gonna rock these until they fall out, and then we're gonna try again. All right, hope you guys enjoyed my messing up. Bye.